In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quick Bills in Clio Manage. To get started, log in to your Clio Manage account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're signed in, open the matter you want to bill. This is important because Quick Bills are created directly from a specific matter, which helps keep all of your billing activity organized and tied to the correct client file. When you're on the matter dashboard, click Quick Bill. This will open the billing form where you can quickly build an invoice without going through a longer billing workflow. At the top of the form, take a moment to verify the from date, to date, and the matter information. This helps ensure the bill reflects the correct time period and is being generated for the right matter before you add any charges. Next, go to the time entry section and click Add a time entry to include billable work. As you enter time, be as accurate and clear as possible so the invoice is easy to understand later. If you also need to bill for reimbursable costs, move to the expense entry section and click Add an expense entry. This is where you can include expenses connected to the matter, helping you capture both work performed and any related costs in one bill. After adding your entries, review the bill total carefully. This is a good point to pause and confirm that all charges look correct. A quick review here can help you catch missing entries or incorrect amounts before the bill is created. If you need more control over how the bill is configured, click Show Options. This area gives you access to additional billing settings, which can be useful depending on your firm's billing preferences or the needs of the specific matter. It's worth checking if you need to fine-tune the invoice before finalizing it. Once everything looks right, click Generate Bill to create the invoice. If you're working through multiple invoices and want to keep the process moving, you can click Generate and create another instead. That option is especially helpful when you're preparing several quick bills in a row. After the bill has been generated, review it one final time. Make sure the details, entries, and total all appear exactly as expected. When you're satisfied, send it to your client when you're ready. That's how to use Quick Bills in Clio Manage. Thanks for watching.